Hey everybody, this is Nat Harris. Once again, I'm honored to be a presenter at the 2024 NGH Convention in Marlborough, Massachusetts. I'm so happy to be a participant again, and my format seminar, August 9th at 3 p.m. is going to be on guided imagery and self-healing. Now, what I've done in the past is I've created 10 steps that I've used in the past for myself, and each participant in the audience can now plug in those 10 steps for their own personal use. All right. In the beginning, we go over the definition for our own particular use with guided imagery and healing. After we define those two terms, we now use those in conjunction with the 10 steps, and we usually have great fun. So again, the 10 steps are used as a template. Each participant in the audience uses it for his or her own particular issue, and then we have, in the end, format for questions and answers. Again, it's highly attended, well presented, I think, and I usually have fun, so it's my honor again to be doing it again. I'd like to see you there, August 9th, 3 p.m.